On page 2 of your practice test, notice on questions 3 through 6, I specifically said I want you to solve each system by using substitution. So once again, it's fine to check your answer with Desmos, but I want to see the work for substitution. If I don't see the work for substitution, you've not followed my directions, you will not get any points on this question. Now, on the first one, notice it's set up kind of nice for substitution because y equals 2x minus 7. So in my second equation, I'm going to go, instead of writing y, and let me see if I can make this a little bit thinner for us since I blew it up here. Okay, so I'm going to go 3x minus 4. Instead of writing y, I'm going to write 2x minus 7. That still equals 8. Well, now we're going to simplify. 3x, distribute your 4, or I should say your negative 4 inside, so minus 8x plus 28 equals 8. 3x minus 8x is negative 5x plus 28 equals 8. Now we'll subtract 28 from both sides, and we're going to get negative 5x equals negative 20. Divide both sides by negative 5. X equals 4. Now let's go back up here and let's solve for y. So 2 times 4 minus 7. Or that would be 8 minus 7, which is 1. So as an ordered pair, our solution is going to be 4, 1. Now let's take a look at question number 4. On this one, once again, notice my second equation, y equals 3x minus 1. That one's set up nice for substitution. So I'm going to substitute into the first equation. So we're going to say x minus 2. Instead of saying y, we're going to say 3x minus 1. And that equals negative 3. We'll distribute our negative 2 inside, so we're going to get x minus 6x plus 2 equals negative 3. Negative 5x plus 2 equals negative 3. Minus 2 from both sides. Negative 5x equals negative 5, so x equals 1. And we'll go back up here into my second equation. We're going to say 3 times 1 minus 1. Or 3 minus 1 is going to equal 2. So as an ordered pair, our solution is 1 and 2. Let's take a look. Ooh, this one's kind of ugly, isn't it? 4y minus 3x equals 5. But notice it looks like if I just get y by itself in the second equation, so in the second equation, I'm just going to add 4 to both sides. So y equals 3/4 x plus 4. That's when I'm going to substitute into my first equation for y. So in my first equation, we're going to say 4, whoops, I want my pen. We're going to go 4 times y, but y is 3/4 x plus 4 minus 3x equals 5. Well, let's distribute that 4 inside, so we get 3x plus 12 minus 3x equals 5. Notice my x's cancel. 3x minus 3x is 0. So I end up with 12 equals 5. 12 does not equal 5. So this is one of those no solution problems. Okay, let's take a look at question number 6. There we go. Now, I think I'm going to substitute y in my second equation because y is by itself, isn't it? So then we're going to say x plus negative x plus 3 plus or equals negative 1. Well, I'm not distributing anything, so it's x minus x plus 3. Notice my x's cancel, so I get 3 equals negative 1. Just like the last problem, that's going to be a no solution problem. And there's your answer. And that's it for that page, I do believe, because that was just your substitution page.